There is nothing better than stuffed cabbage leaves in this weather. It's an Egyptian dish that we love, but its origins are diverse, like Armenian, Ukrainian, and Turkish cuisine. Its advantage is that it's easier and healthier with less rice and more cabbage, less oil, and no frying for the rice before rolling. Hopefully, you will like trying this recipe today. I will use fresh cabbage, making sure it's firm and not wilted, especially avoiding torn leaves underneath. Remove the outer leaves with a knife as they are slightly harder after blanching, and a cut leaf won't work well for rolling. I will keep the stem for easier handling and boil it. I will wash thoroughly from all sides, including between the leaves if possible. In a large pot, I will heat water until it boils, using about 1/3 of the pot to avoid splashing when I add the cabbage. Some people add salt and cumin to the water. I prefer using plain water. I will start turning it left and right until the leaves soften, noticing the change in color and tenderness. I'll cut off the outer leaves and let them blanch for a minute or two. We don't want them to overcook or undercook. You probably noticed some torn parts due to using stainless steel tongs. I will use chopsticks for better handling. The leaves are ready with a beautiful fabric-like texture. Now I will prepare the remaining quantity the same way. Each leaf takes about a minute, ensuring the water is boiling. I have finished blanching all the leaves. Now I will take them one by one, removing the hard part with a sharp knife, and prepare the rest in the same way. Taking one leaf at a time, I will spread it well, cut into strips according to the desired stuffing size. I usually go for 4 strips with a larger leaf. That's it, they are ready for rolling process. I will continue preparing the rest of the leaves the same way. Now let's prepare the stuffing or rice mixture. Parsley, dill, and cilantro finely chopped. I'll wash the rice thoroughly and strain it multiple times until the water is clear. I'll mix it well with the tomato sauce. I prefer doing this without heat. The rice turns fluffy and flavorful. I'll leave you a link with a video demonstrating 4 different ways to prepare tomato sauce. I will add the chopped herbs, black pepper, cumin, salt, and a bit of chili. A small cup of sunflower or corn oil, additionally, I will add a finely grated onion. For the stuffing, I will place a small amount, about a teaspoon, of the rice mixture. I will spread it along the cabbage strip, ensuring it's compact. I will start rolling the cabbage without sealing the sides, making sure it's firm by pressing on it. I will cut off the excess cabbage to use in the next roll. I will repeat the same process for the remaining quantity. If I find hard veins, I might flatten them with my hands for easier rolling. It's crucial to organize the rolls neatly for a good appearance and even cooking. Having finished rolling and arranging all the rolls, let's talk about the cooking. I will add the remaining tomato sauce on top. And then pour hot broth until it almost covers the stuffed cabbage. I will shake the pan or tray well to ensure broth reaches the bottom and between the stuffed fingers. I'll cover it tightly with foil. And place in the oven at 250 degrees for 5 to 10 minutes until it boils. Then I reduce the heat to 180 or 200 degrees and bake for 45 minutes to an hour. After 45 minutes, I checked it and found the broth dried up a bit. I tasted the piece and felt it needed more moisture. I added more hot broth, closed it, and put it back in the oven for an additional 15 minutes to complete the hour. After an hour in the oven, it's perfectly cooked. Nothing sticks to the bottom of the tray, and the stuffed cabbage holds its shape and has a delightful taste. Now let's move on to the serving and share some pictures.